Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to get email notification for new comment on Doran idea. I want that as soon as a new comment is created on a post or an idea which I have posted on Doran, automatically I should receive an email notification for the same comment. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Doran and Gmail, and to do the same we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Doran in our trigger and Gmail in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process of getting the email notification for every new comment on idea of Doran. And to learn this entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that as soon as a new comment is posted on our idea in Doran, automatically we should receive an email notification for that same comment. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, this URL will take us towards the landing page of the software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section of Pabbly. Here we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So after coming on this, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's click on it. And now we have to assign a name to this workflow. So let us give a name as... So I have given a name to this workflow according to our motive, get email notification for Doran comment. Okay, so you can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. Now we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So I have already selected it as home. Now let's click on create. And we can find that as we do that, two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. Trigger and actions are the basic concepts or the basic principles on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means action is the response towards our trigger. So here in this workflow, we are going to select Doran in our trigger and Gmail in our action. And we want that as soon as a new comment will be posted on our idea in Doran, automatically the notifications should be sent to us on Gmail for that same comment. Okay, so let's start creating this automation workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application as Doran. Let's select it. And then in our trigger event, we will select comment created. Okay, because we want that as soon as a new comment will be created on an idea, then this workflow should initiate. Okay, so the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow initiates. Here we can find that as we have clicked on connect, a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions which we have to follow in order to connect our Doran account with Pabbly Connect. So let's first of all copy this webhook URL, and then I will tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. Okay, so we are going to follow the instructions given over here step by step. First of all, let me take you to my Doran account, and here after coming on this account, we have to go on the profile section from the right side. Okay, under that we can find the option of workspace. Let's select it, and under that we have to go on integrations option. So here on integration page, we can find, now from these options we have to select Pabbly. Let's click on connect, and here we can find all our webhooks. Okay, now to create a new webhook, we have to click on this add new webhook button. Let's click on it, and now we have to select the topic. So what is this topic? The topic is our trigger event. Okay, so we have selected the trigger event as comment created. Same we have to select in our topic also. Okay, because we want that as soon as a comment will be created on a post or an idea, the response should be captured by Pabbly Connect. So here we have selected the topic, and now in this webhook URL field we have to paste a URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Done. Click on confirm, and here our new webhook is ready. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This is the default response from Doran which is captured automatically. Now in order to capture the new response, we will click on recapture webhook response. Yes. And now we will do a test submission in order to capture the response of a new comment. Okay, so what we are going to do, I am going to take you to the page on which there are posts and ideas. Okay, now on this idea page we can find several ideas are given over here which I have created. So in order to do the test submission, I am going to create a new comment on any of the idea and show you how the response is being captured. Okay. And for doing that, I'm going to open the user's page in incognito mode to create a comment from different user ID. Okay. So let me open the page in incognito mode. So this is the page. Okay, now we will go on the option of ideas, and here we can find all the ideas. Now what we are going to do on any of these idea, I am going to create a new comment. Let's say Pabbly Connect testing. Okay, this is one idea. I'm going to open it and I'm going to write a comment for this idea. Let's say test comment. Okay, click on post comment and our comment is created. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will check whether we have received the response, and yes, we can find that we have received the response here and the content is given over here. Okay, now what we want that as soon as a new comment is posted on our idea, we should get an email notification for that. And to do that, we are going to select our action application as Gmail. Let's select it. And in our action event, we will select send email, click on connect. And here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection, connect with Gmail, select the account. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Gmail account. Let's click on allow because it is 100% safe. Let's click on allow. And automatically our authorization is successful. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do, we have to enter the details over here one by one. First of all, it is asking us for recipient email address. So what we want to get the notification for each and every comment on Doran idea. So in order to do that, we are going to add our own email address here in the recipient email address field. Okay, let me add my email address. Okay, suppose this is my email address. I have entered it. Now every time a new response will be captured in Pabbly Connect through Doran, the email is going to be sent on this email ID. Now the next is sender name, so I am ignoring this field. So in email subject, I am writing new comment on idea. Okay, so every time the email will be received, the subject line of that email will be this. Now in the email content type, it is already selected as plain, and here we have to enter the email content. So what we want to receive the notification of every new comment on Doran idea. So we have received the response from Doran, that is our previous step. Like this, we will select it, and here is the content. Let's select it, and it is mapped. So because we have mapped this data instead of entering it manually, now every time a new response will be captured in Pabbly Connect, it is going to be changed according to the new comment. Okay, so every time a new comment will be posted, the response will be captured here, and this field is going to be changed with that new comment, and we will receive the notification of each and every new comment on our email. Okay, so after entering all the details, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received the response and it is done. So the email is sent. Now let's go and check on the email address which we have entered here in this work, whether we have received the notification or not. And yes, we can find that we have received the email notification along with the comment which is posted on our idea. Okay, so that means our workflow is perfectly successful and we have completed the steps of integrating Doran with Gmail. So let's go and summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken two simple steps here, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Doran, and in action we have taken Gmail, and we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new comment will be posted on our idea in Doran, automatically the response of that comment will be captured here through webhook, and by using that response we are going to receive an email notification for that same comment. Okay, so every time a new comment will be created in Doran for a particular idea or post, we will receive the email notification. We will receive the email notification for the same comment through Gmail. Okay, so this was the full workflow and we have successfully integrated both these applications. Now this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.